Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make Snapchat account private. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, let's open up the Snapchat application and then tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on the profile page, tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now what you want to do next is scroll down until you see a section called Privacy Control. Once you find it, tap on the first option, Contact Me. This controls who can contact you directly with snaps, calls, chats, etc. Right now, this is set for friends and contacts, so in order to make the account private, change this to friends. Now only your friends can contact you. After that, go back and tap on View My Story. Change it to friends only. You can also tap on Custom and block certain friends from viewing your story. Now go back and tap on See Me in Find Friends, and you want to untick this, Show Me in Find Friends. Now your account won't be shown in suggestions. Go back to the settings screen and tap on See My Location. Now you have a couple of different options to choose from. Right now, it's set to My Friends, which means all of your friends are able to see your location. The second option is My Friends Except. If you select that, you can block some of your friends from seeing your location. The third option is Only These Friends. If you select that one, you can specify friends, and only those selected friends will be able to see your location. At the top, there's Ghost Mode. If you toggle this on, your location will be hidden from everyone. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select Ghost Mode. Select the duration that you want Ghost Mode to be enabled, and now my Snapchat account is completely private. So that wraps up this tutorial. So that's basically how you can make Snapchat account private. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.